Welcome to our comprehensive guide on preparing your smoker for its inaugural use. Proper preparation is key to ensuring a smooth smoking experience right from the start. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 crucial steps, including unboxing your smoker, inspecting its components, and cleaning to remove any remnants from production. Additionally, we'll talk about seasoning your smoker to create a non-stick surface and testing temperature controls for accurate cooking. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to approach your first cook with confidence and enjoy delicious smoked meals. To begin your smoker journey, the first step is unboxing and inspecting your smoker thoroughly. Carefully remove all components from the packaging to avoid damage. Pay close attention to each part and check for any signs of defects or missing items. Consulting the user manual is essential. It provides valuable insights into the specific parts and their functions. Familiarizing yourself with the smoker's components will not only enhance your understanding, but also prepare you for assembly and operation. Taking these precautions ensures a successful setup and helps you get the most out of your new smoker. Before using your smoker for the first time, it's essential to clean it thoroughly. Start by washing the grates and interior surfaces with mild soap and warm water. This step is important to eliminate any residues left from the manufacturing process, which can affect both the flavor of your food and the performance of your smoker. Make sure to rinse everything well and dry the components thoroughly to prevent rust. A clean smoker not only promotes better taste, but also ensures a healthier cooking environment and enhances the overall smoking experience. Seasoning your smoker is a vital step that prepares it for cooking and improves its performance. Begin by applying a thin layer of cooking oil, such as vegetable or canola oil, onto the grates. This helps create a protective non-stick layer once heated. After oiling, preheat the smoker by running it at a high temperature, typically around 275 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for about an hour. This process not only eliminates any lingering factory smells, but also forms a seasoned surface that enhances flavor and prevents food from sticking during future smoke sessions. Proper seasoning is fundamental for optimal results. Before you dive into your first cooking experience, it's crucial to test the temperature control of your smoker. Begin by lighting your smoker and allowing it to reach the desired cooking temperature. To ensure accuracy, use a reliable digital thermometer to monitor the internal temperature. This step is vital for achieving consistent cooking results and prevents potential overcooking or undercooking of your food. Understanding how your smoker handles temperature can take your smoking experience to the next level, allowing you to master your craft and serve delicious, perfectly cooked meals every time. Congratulations! You are now fully prepared to enjoy your first cook with your smoker. To make the most of this experience, we suggest starting with a straightforward recipe, such as ribs or chicken. These meats are forgiving for beginners and allow you to practice your smoking technique without overwhelming complexity. As you gain confidence, you can explore more intricate dishes. Remember, the joy of smoking comes not only from the delicious results, but also from the learning process. So gather your ingredients, fire up that smoker, and happy smoking. Enjoy the journey ahead.